Hello everyone, it's Adam here. In this video we're going to be installing the Vanasche Motorsports side stand enlarger for the KTM 690 and Husqvarna 701. Here's the part number. Looks like it's the same one that fits the 1190 or 1290. As usual, just look at the craftsmanship here. Nice to be able to blind the traffic behind you when the sun hits this. Gorgeous, nice cuts. So it should fit just right there. This is actually, in my opinion, this is actually a pretty solid base, but in the mud it won't be enough. So let's get started. Looks like we're gonna need 4mm hex for this job, and of course a bit of Loctite. Yeah, it's a 4mm there. Remove all of these 4mm from here. Now, you can see this comes right apart. I'm just going to dab a little bit of Loctite on all of these, and let's make sure this is clean. All right, just like that. And now it should hold its own while we finish these up. Now for tightening this down, you're probably going to want to tighten it down incrementally across all of these, because if any one of these gets tightened down all the way, then you'll probably have one not thread all the way as much. All right, now we're done. So we've got this here, comes right up. Oh yeah, I mean, that's huge. You're gonna probably catch that on something, but it is an enlarger, it's what you wanted. And from the rear, beautiful, perfect to blind people behind you if there's sun hitting this. Yeah, that looks good. Excellent craftsmanship, looks nice on the bike. Thumbs up. Thanks for watching, everyone. Ride safe.